Right, well, amongst the Cybernet 134s, they don't get more expensive than this. These were $129.99 if I remember rightly at the time. The Radiomobile CB202, very similar, of course the same board as the Cybernet Beta 3000. The Cybernet Beta 3000 is identical in every way apart from the front panel to the Ford Roadmaster, is it 505, the big one. But this is slightly different, you don't get the clear normal thing. So I think this one's, I prefer this one. And you've got the push on, push off switch. So I've not heard anybody on it. We did this a few weeks ago, but volume of other work has stopped us doing an on the air test. Go to channel 31 and see whether Mr. Mega Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test. You notice the power thing becomes, I'm going to say, a modulation meter because it's not.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Oh, it's FM, of course. Yo, I'm ready.
Roger, is your speaker plugged in and all that?
No, I'll just do that.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger. We're using standard replacement mic throughout.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and we've got a tone control on this radio.
Roger, so we're heading up the lane towards the
High,
end of it.
low,
The passing place.
high.
And doggy daycare with a white air-conditioned van, which must be full of doggies.
Roger on that. Professional dog walking.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing at Ancaster Service Station 159.9 and 186.9.
So is that better or worse, do you think, than last time?
Same. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilfred. I'm on the Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Radiomobile CB202, which is the Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981 on the standard replacement line, registered 441 now.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Cheers, Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
What you got? You going over Wilson level crossing?
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Looks like you're at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Already got you at the 5 mile point. One is Cybernet, the other one is Radiomobile CB202, which is Cybernet 134. Standard replacement line, 1.2 amp being drawn on 4 watts, gonna go to low power, 5432. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger, as is normal now. It's fine on high power, but I had to override the squelch and you're pretty noisy, a bit too much to make out what you were saying.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Very busy here today. I'm still at the T-junction.
Tango 21, I've got interference now. You're at the level crossing, over.
Negative. I'm just checking in because it's very busy. I'm still at the junction for Grayleys.
Roger, at least I got you that. I've got some interference coming over just when you were talking.
Yeah, roger that. From Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, are you going over Rosby Level Crossing?
Yeah, as it's been 154.9 now, 189.7.
Roger on that one. Very well, thank you very much.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rosby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, it's been 154.9 189.7.
Roger on that one. Very well, thank you very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, right, well, apart from the interference, that worked great. We'll go over to our base station, which of course uses the same innards, because it's a Cybernet 134 in that Midland 76-900 as well. So I really do think that as far as Cybernets go, I mean, I love the balance of 5 stars performance, and I like overall, out of all the Cybernet 134s, the Harvard 420M, because it doesn't have too many switches, but styling and that one's my favourite. So we'll go over to the base station, see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 facing the Radiomobile CB202 with a standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Well, full power. The home test will go to low power. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, testing 123 400 milliwatts. Back to full power at 4 watts. The idea of the home test is so the hum it would diminish on low power. Right, so there we go. That should end all of trucking and farming's current batch of radios. So thanks for watching the Radiomobile CB202 from 1981.